Pull-up, feet-assisted, bar and rack. If you're a gymnastic skill seeker working towards your first pull-up, you should give this a try. The feet-assisted pull-up is an excellent tool for increasing your upper body vertical pulling strength and helping you get your first pull-up. I find this exercise is far more effective than performing band-assisted pull-ups. Let me explain. Start by placing a barbell in a squat rack at roughly standing chest height. Grip the bar with a shoulder-width pronated grip, palms facing down. Walk your feet forward of the bar before sitting down in a nice deep squat with the arms straight. You'll probably need to shuffle your feet forward to find a comfortable position at the bottom. When the arms are straight and we're sitting in the bottom position, your head must be pushed forward so that your ears are visible in front of your biceps. Each rep starts by depressing and retracting the shoulders. Focus on pulling your shoulder blades back and down before you bend your elbows and pull your chest to the bar. It can be helpful to lift your chest and slightly arch your back as you set the shoulders back and down. This will help you engage more of your back muscles and take some of the tension away from the biceps. We want this because your back muscles are bigger and stronger than your biceps. As you bend the elbows, focus on pulling them back and down as you take your chest to touch the bar. Use your legs to assist the movement as needed. You have complete control over the level of assistance you can apply through the full range of motion. Once at the top, reverse the movement and slowly straighten the arms as you move back to the bottom position. Keep the shoulders depressed and retracted until the arms are straight, and then allow the shoulders to relax and the head to move forward of the arms to return to the starting position. As strength improves, you can use less and less assistance from your legs. The feet-assisted pull-up teaches us the correct mechanics for vertical pulling and allows us to build the strength required for pull-ups. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.